Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your Briana Marie, and I'm back with a hair tutorial video. It is going to be sponsored by Affordhair, y'all. They sent over this wig, and I am slaying it today for you guys. So this is it. It's so cute. It went right with the vibes. I never tried a highlighted wig like this. This is like the trend on YouTube, Instagram, everything. Like, so if y'all are looking for this type of highlighted wig, don't forget to go check them out in the description right below. So if you want to see how I achieve this, then keep on watching. Alrighty, guys, let's get right into it. So this is the Affordhair box. It is so pretty, and I just want to show you what comes in this box, y'all. So you get a wig cap for this wig, and then you get the wig, and then they also sent a clip for the back to adjust the wig to your likings. Now this wig was so pretty, but then when I was looking at it, I was like, this is kind of synthetic. Was it gonna curl or was it not? So you'll see at the end. But this is the lace. It looks really good, and that was the inside of the cap. Now this is how the wig came. I love the highlighted feels and vibes in this hair. It is actually really soft, but the blonde is shaded a little bit, y'all, so keep that in mind when any color hair is going to shed. So this is the plucked frontal, unplucked frontal. And then I'm going to show you how I plucked it, and it looks so good, y'all. I did record a video of me plucking it. I don't know if y'all want to see that or not. If y'all do want a plucking video, let me know. I will definitely record a detailed video. But y'all, let's get into putting this wig on. All right, y'all, so I put the cap on, and I am going to lay this cap down. I cut the sides so that my ear tabs will come out, and I went ahead and did this on both sides. And then I'm going to take some gas to be glue, and I'm going to spray my cap twice so that it can stick. Then I sit under the dryer so that when it's completely dry, I can actually go ahead and cut around the perimeter so that I can start laying and gluing my wig down. Alright, so as I sprayed the gas to be glued on, my daughter wanted to smell it. I don't know. She wanted to smell what gas to be glue smell like. Yeah, okay. And so after I sprayed this gas to be glue, I did sit under the dryer. And like I said, I let it dry before I cut this cap. I did spray this on twice. So I sprayed it on, and then I set it on the dryer, and then I sprayed it on, and then I set it on the dryer again. So after I cut it, I did go ahead and take some of my MAC NW50 a Pro Long Wear powder, the powder I put on my face, that goes on the outer perimeter, and I look like about, I look like what is those things called? That movie back in the day, y'all know what I'm talking about. But I like an egghead right here, well, yeah, look at that, that looks so good. But the problem with me is I really want to know how to lay a lace. Okay, I keep saying it, but I'm getting okay. I'm getting better with it. So I use Ghost Bond glue, and I only use one layer of this, and then I went ahead and used this Ultra Hold glue, y'all. Now I shouldn't use this because right now I am struggling to get this wig off the next day. Okay, so if you know you're gonna wear your wig for a long time, or like a week or two, definitely that was the glue to use. Okay, that is holding, and I'm going to put like a lot of alcohol to try to get this off. So yeah, y'all, I laid it down, and it looks so good. I really like it. The only thing is in the front, I plucked it, like over plucked it. and I had to cut off the excess hair right there instead of having that peak. Y'all know how like when you pluck it and then the girls had a peak, so I would have to like next time just part the middle section off and pluck the sides, and then as soon as I get to the top, pluck just, you know, enough. So now my mom is using I think eyebrow razor is perfect to cut any lace off, because it's like give you those rigid edges. So the front part of it looks good. I did spray it with some lace tint as well. I didn't tell you that, but I did go ahead and spray it with some lace tint. So my mom is going to curl her hair. We were thinking about, so she rolled it around the curler and we was going to do the body wave, but it didn't take. I don't know. So she just did the burrow curls and to give it that loose body wave curl. She's going to do this repeatedly all over the head. You're not going to see this a lot, but you're going to see her curl it and repeatedly do this. And that's it, y'all. Don't forget to go check out Affordhair in the description right below, and I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. This is how it looks. Beyonce vibes with her highlight hair. If you have made it to the end, don't forget to go check out Affordhair. Y'all, this is the box. They will be linked in the description already below. I love this wig. I would wear this like, I wouldn't even say every day, because this gives me, put this wig on when you're going outside. Hair isn't layered at all. She didn't put any layers in it. Give this video a thumbs up, comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next tutorial.